I don't get really too hype about the weekends, especially with crypto. They're low volume, liquidity is kind of shaky, and a lot of pumps or dumps on the weekend usually are manipulated. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'm back with another one. In today's video, I want to point out a few pivotal things that we do have happening that could give us relief for altcoins next week. So if you like these type of videos, make sure that you like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and keep your favorite crypto and door-to-door entrepreneur inside the algorithms. I always say when the market is silent and at its most level of, or should I say lack of hype, that is the time you really want to pay attention to the market. Even if it's just doing your research, you don't necessarily have to buy everything. If you did buy the dip, you probably are happy you did buy the dip, right? But I want to show you a few charts, guys, that are telling me that we could have some relief coming for altcoins. Now, of course, we need Monday to really be a opening for the stock market where we start to see it rebound, and hopefully Trump doesn't say anything that could sway the market, whether that be bearish or bullish, right? Because well, hopefully we get bullish, but you know how he can come out there and say anything about tariffs. You already know, so I don't want to get too deep into the politics of in the aspect of it, but you know what I'm talking about. Now, this is the Bitcoin dominance chart, and it's severely overbought, right? And last time we had an area where we were severely overbought, the Bitcoin dominance did collapse, and we seen some relief from altcoins, right? And there's a good chance if this Bitcoin dominance starts to collapse here and retest some of the structure between between 60 cent and maybe 55 cent, we could be looking at some relief. You always want to tie the Bitcoin dominance chart with some of the things that you are seeing on altcoins. I was looking at the Solana chart because I was working to get my shorts and longs put in this week. But if I just go to the total 3, for the altcoins, you can see that it's inverted to the Bitcoin dominance. Is actually oversold, and the stock RSI is looking for confirmation above 20. So it works out perfectly when we start to see that Bitcoin dominance collapse. But wait, there's more, because we were already in a downtrend, and so tomorrow, if our weekly candle for the total 3 closes above this trend line, that is a step in the right direction. Of course, we need a confirmation candle, and we want to see more volume start to move to the upside. But again, indicators across the board, not just the stock RSI, but you can couple that with the MACD is starting to turn a little bit, not just there yet. That's why I'm saying we would need a confirmation candle on the total 3. But with this, the fact that these are the weekly charts makes these indicators even more powerful. So Bitcoin dominance looking to show a little bit of weakness. Total 3 looking to show strength with this the pure altcoin market. If you're into lower caps, we can check out the others together here. And you can see the others chart as well. Putting in that looking to get us back above the trend line here, right? Get us back above the trend line, even for the others. So again, Bitcoin dominance coming down, inflation kind of coming down as well, right? We looked at the true inflation data; it is coming down. And if we get a dovish traditional market, we could be looking at some relief, right? So not altcoin season, but relief, because believe it or not, if you've been sitting here for the last 3 months, our portfolio have been getting crushed. So we need some relief. I'm all for the relief. All right. So Jasmy up, Tau up. Pay attention to some of the projects that I've been kind of throwing out there. I also found a pretty good project. I dropped it in the Patreon a little bit earlier today at the time of this video. So guys, check out the exclusive content. If you into stuff like Jasmy, Tau, and you want to buy these coins, go to mycrypto.com referral and earn yourself up to 25 to 50 bucks by purchasing your first crypto on crypto.com. Of course, not financial advice, guys. Build your portfolio. Go out there, do your research, do the dirty work. Let me know if you think we're gonna have relief next week, or will something go wrong, right? Because something has always been going wrong. But it's quiet, guys. It's quiet, and I think as an investor, this is what you want. This is what you want, right? I'm gonna do a live stream probably tomorrow or Monday, because we gotta talk about this strategy, right? What we doing for the sell in May and go away, or we subscribing to the load up in May and get paid in Q4. Anyway, it's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.